State Oil Company of the Azerbaijan Republic will prevent any construction in the areas owned by the company and will demolish illegal half-built buildings. We will appeal to the court regarding the demolition of the houses where people are already living, said Eldar Oruchov, head of the legal department of SOCAR, at a press conference on April 10th. He said that the company plans to appeal to courts for the demolition of 22,000 houses. Documents on 15,000 houses have been presented to courts. Decisions have been made regarding the demolition of a number of houses, but we don't want anybody to be homeless, and that's why we haven't demolished anything yet, said Oruchov, who added that SOCAR doesn't want citizens to go without compensation. He stressed that SOCAR doesn't want to pay compensation to anybody, neither at present nor in the future. Oruchov said that since 2006, SOCAR has begun to prevent illegal construction work in the lands owned by the company. According to him, it is as the result of their efforts that the number of illegal houses hasn't exceeded 1,500 this year, which is relatively small in comparison to previous years. The SOCAR official drew attention to the recent conflict during the demolition of houses in Sultepe settlement, which is located in an area belonging to oilfield number 4 of Binagadi Oil Company. Admitting that SOCAR security guards had no legal right to demolish the houses, Oruchov said that they had no other alternative. He also confirmed that SOCAR employees exerted pressure on the residents during the demolition. In reply to questions about the fate of the houses belonging to Oktay Asadov and other public figures and the Baku branch of Moscow State University currently being constructed in place of the houses demolished in 2005 and 2006, he said that these are legal buildings and the SOCAR gave its consent to these buildings. He added that some lands has been assigned for the future construction of water reservoir and Baku metro depot and constructions that will be carried out by Accord and Azeriol service.